if we go to the website and go to exercise 2, this week's exercise is up. It is due on next Thursday. So the first thing you want to do is accept the assignment by clicking the link, and that will create the repository, your private repository for you. So I'll just go through how to clone the exercise as well, since the plugin is not working. So when you're in your exercise repo on GitHub, clone the link to the repository, and in Jupyter Lab, navigate to, or rather in the terminal. I'll clear this one out. And when you're in your, make sure to navigate to the AutoGIS exercises folder, and then clone the exercise with the link to the folder. And then you need to, if your credentials are not stored, let me get my token that is we're using here, not the password as it says, but then get your token in, and that did not work. Let me do that once more. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know why that is not working. All right, so there we go. Now I got the exercise folder cloned. We have 3 problems for you to solve this week. So in the first exercise problem, you get a, you are supposed to create a polygon based on the different latitudes and longitudes provided to you here. So you are supposed to create a polygon with the coordinates inserted into a geodata frame that you create, and then plot the polygon to show it, and then save that polygon to a shapefile. So that we have more or less done a couple of times in the lecture, first part of the lecture today. And then in the second problem, you will be reading some data in from a CSV file and plotting those to a map. So you will create a pandas geodata frame and getting all the longitude and latitude coordinates into that data frame, doing some using some for loops to create shapely points, and then plot those to a map in the end here. So that's exercise 2. And in the last exercise, we want you to reproject some data or read in data to a geodata frame and reproject that data using the EPSG code here in order to be able to calculate some distances that have been troubled by users in that data file. Yeah, so you will be reading data, reprojecting it, and then grouping data that we have also done today, create some line strings from those user data, and then calculating the distances of those line strings. Yes, so that is more or less the last exercise for this week.